Disgraced founder of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, and his legal team are reportedly in talks with prosecutors to work out a deal that will allow SBF to be released on bail when he is extradited to the United States.
Prosecutors ask federal judge to jail Sam Bankman-Fried over witness tampering. Hi and welcome to True Crime, a channel dedicated to the dark underworld of criminal activity carried out by gangsters, mobsters, cartel leaders, and others. Today, we bring you an exclusive update on the ongoing legal saga involving FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. Federal prosecutors have recently filed a request to revoke his bail, accusing the billionaire of violating the terms of his release and tampering with witnesses. This development has serious implications for Bankman-Fried, whose October trial is looming. Join us as we delve into the details of this high-profile case. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest news and insights. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us continue delivering informative content. Violation of bail terms. Oh, I know. The developments in Sam Bankman-Fried's case are mind-blowing. Witness tampering allegations are a huge deal, especially in a high-profile trial like this one. Leaking private diaries to a reporter to intimidate a key witness, Caroline Ellison. It's like something out of a thrilling legal drama, but it's happening for real. I saw this video with legal experts discussing the seriousness of these bail violations. It's not just about punishing the accused, it's about protecting the integrity of the trial and ensuring a fair process. Witness intimidation can seriously jeopardize the case and undermine the pursuit of truth. It's so important for witnesses to feel safe and not pressured when cooperating with the authorities. The justice system relies on their honesty and openness to serve justice properly. Any attempts to manipulate or tamper with witnesses must be taken seriously and dealt with accordingly. Can you believe the pressure Bankman-Fried must be under right now? I mean, facing the weight of the law is one thing, but now with these allegations piled on top, it's gotta be overwhelming. These legal experts were right in stressing the importance of a rock-solid justice system. It's our safeguard against any attempts to undermine the truth-seeking process. The entire legal community is watching this case closely to ensure the trial's fairness and that justice is served. I'm super curious to see how this unfolds too. The consequences for these alleged bail violations can be severe. The court may decide to revoke his bail and send him back to jail, especially considering the potential harm to the integrity of the trial. As we keep tabs on this case, we must also remember that it's not just about one individual's fate. The outcome will impact public confidence in the justice system and set a precedent for how such cases are handled in the future. We need to trust that the legal process will uncover the truth and hold those responsible accountable. Witness protection is vital for the truth to come to light, and the case should be tried on facts, not intimidation. It's fascinating and concerning at the same time to witness the complexities of the justice system. Ensuring fairness and safeguarding the rights of all involved parties is no easy task, but it's crucial for maintaining the rule of law. Witness tampering allegations. It's becoming like a real-life legal drama. So, his ex-girlfriend, Caroline Ellison, who was a top executive at his hedge fund, has already pleaded guilty to federal fraud charges. That's a big deal on its own, right? But here's where it gets even more intriguing. She's now cooperating with the government in their prosecution against Bankman-Fried. And guess what the prosecutors are claiming? They say Bankman-Fried tried to tamper with her testimony by leaking her private diary. Can you believe the audacity? The video I saw about this was mind-boggling. The prosecutors argued that his intention was to intimidate Caroline and undermine the whole legal process. Witness tampering is no joke, and it seriously threatens the integrity of the entire trial. I spoke to some legal experts, and they were all raising eyebrows at this development. Protecting witnesses is paramount to ensure a fair trial, and any attempts to interfere must be taken seriously. The consequences for witness tampering can be severe, and it could mean big trouble for Bankman-Fried if he's found guilty of these allegations. Potential return to jail. It's getting super intense. So, federal prosecutors are claiming he violated his bail conditions, and they're not taking it lightly. If the judge grants their request, guess what could happen? He might end up back in jail. Can you believe it? I saw this video where they were discussing the potential consequences of these alleged violations. U.S. District Judge Lewis Kaplan could decide to revoke his bail, and that's a huge deal. It would mean he'd be behind bars again after that whole extradition from the Bahamas. What a roller coaster. The timing is nuts too. His expected trial is in October, and all this is happening right before that. It could seriously impact his defense and legal strategy. I mean, imagine preparing for a trial while facing the possibility of being back in jail. Legal experts in the video were talking about how serious this situation is. Violating bail terms is no joke, and it shows how critical it is to stick to the conditions set by the court. Implosion of FTX and charges faced. Those witness tampering allegations were just the beginning. Now, he's facing multiple fraud and money laundering charges, and it's getting even more serious. As I was watching this video that delved into the implosion of his company, FTX, last year it went through a massive collapse, and the fallout from that is now intertwined with these legal battles. FTX was a multi-billion-dollar exchange, so you can imagine the scale of the impact. The video experts were all in agreement that these new charges are a big deal. Fraud and money laundering are no small offenses. It's like a whole new dimension has been added to the case, and it's raising concerns about potential financial crimes that might have occurred. The pressure on Bankman-Fried must be immense right now. Just dealing with witness tampering allegations alone would be nerve-wracking, but with all these other charges piling up, it's like the walls are closing in on him. I can't help but wonder how his defense team will handle this. It's such a complex and high-stakes legal battle. They'll have to come up with a robust strategy to address each of these charges effectively. You know, this case is not just about him anymore. It has far-reaching implications for the financial community and beyond. The collapse of FTX has undoubtedly left a mark, and it's crucial for the justice system to carefully examine all the evidence and ensure justice is served. I can't even imagine what it's like to be in Bankman-Fried's shoes right now. The weight of these charges and the potential consequences must be overwhelming. But that's where the legal system comes into play. It's essential for due process to be followed and for a fair trial to take place. Safety concerns for the community. It's getting more complicated than we thought. So, in a recent court hearing, a federal prosecutor raised concerns about the safety of the community if he's allowed to remain free on bail. Whoa, that's a big deal. They were discussing the gravity of the charges he's facing. With all those fraud and money laundering allegations, it's no wonder they're worried about the potential consequences for the financial community. The experts in the video were saying that when the safety of others is at stake, it becomes a crucial factor in determining release conditions. They need to make sure that there's no risk of harm to the community if Bankman-Fried stays out on bail. I can totally understand the concern. With such serious charges against him, it's essential to carefully examine all possibilities and ensure that the public is safe. This case is becoming a real legal drama, and it's not just about Bankman-Fried anymore. The implications are far-reaching, and it's a reminder of how the justice system needs to take community safety into account while making important decisions. The stakes couldn't be higher in this legal battle. The fate of Sam Bankman-Fried and the future of FTX hang in the balance. As we await the October trial, we'll continue to monitor the developments closely and keep you updated. Remember to like and share this video if you found it informative, and leave your thoughts and comments below. Your support is crucial in bringing you the latest updates on this high-profile case. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.